Welcome to Dapper Technology. Today we will be discussing Universal Print. So Universal Print is a modern print solution that organizations can use to manage their print infrastructure through services from Microsoft. Universal Print runs entirely on Microsoft Azure. When it's deployed with Universal Print compatible printers, it doesn't require any on-premises infrastructure. Universal Print is Microsoft 365 subscription-based service that organizations use to centralize print managed through the Universal Print portal. It is fully integrated with Azure Active Directory and supports single sign-on scenarios. Universal Print can be deployed with non-compatible printers by using Universal Print Connector software. So this is a solution that can be used to replace printers on premises. Instead of having your print servers, manage your print servers, premises, printers can be provisioned in Azure, and users can connect to it just as if they were on premises and use as a print. And so this is an architectural diagram here. So this shows the Windows when you connect to Universal Print, and with the connectors, and the connectors are for printers that are not compatible or manufactured with the process of able to print directly. So a connector has to be downloaded and installed to use printers that are not out of the box able to use with Universal Print. And so you have Universal Print. So Microsoft Graph is the power behind here. Alright, so what's the components? So the components of Universal Print, Universal Print, which is a service in Azure, Azure Active Directory, Office Data Storage Service, Microsoft Endpoint Manager, Microsoft Graph, Universal Print Connector, Universal Print Ready Printer, and Printer Reload Native. So what are the prerequisites? The prerequisites are Windows 10 client device, version 1903 or later, a Universal Print Connector house. Universal Print is included with commercial and educational 365 and Windows 10 Enterprise subscription, but can also be purchased as a standalone subscription. What includes with Universal Print? So all Universal Print licenses grant access to a full suite of features and capability offered by the service. Additionally, each service adds a pool of print jobs that are available to all users who have a license. The numbers of jobs that each license contributes to the pool depends on the license type, and used jobs expire at the end of the month. So it's a subscription base, and when the subscription is done, then you have a month. So licensing per job. Microsoft 365, E5, and E5, you have 100 jobs per month. Microsoft 365, A3, A5, F3, Business, Premium, 5 jobs per month. Windows 10 Enterprise, E3, E5, A3, and A5, 5. Universal Print alone is 5. Install Universal Print Connector on Windows. Prerequisites. Universal Print is enabled in Azure tenant. Your user account as a role printer administrator or global administrator. So normally you do the least. You would use printer administrator. Your user account is assigned a Universal Print license. It's be 1803 or later. Windows Server 2016 or later. Install Universal Print Connector on Windows. Install the connector software. Register your connector and configure your connector. Register printers with Universal Print using Universal Print Connector. Important. Connector must have access to the following endpoint. So ensure that you are able to have that endpoint. Universal Print Printer Provision. Microsoft Endpoint Manager includes the ability to deploy Universal Print printers on users' Windows devices. That's the end of the presentation on universal proof.